Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt and decrypt files using GPG, step by step. First, let's SSH into storage server. Once connected, we'll switch to the root user with sudo -i to get the permissions we need. First, move to the home directory and check the available files. Next, import the provided public and private keys. Now verify that the key was imported correctly. Now we encrypt the file using the recipient's public key. Let's check the file. Next, we decrypt the encrypted file in the passphrase. Finally, let's verify the decrypted file. And that's it. You successfully encrypted and decrypted files using GPG. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 2 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.